The SADC Secretariat, in partnership with the Government of Zimbabwe, Confederation of Zimbabwe Industries, and the SADC Business Council, will organize the 7th SADC Industrialization Week in Harare, Republic of Zimbabwe, from the 29th of July to 2 August 2024 at Harare International Conference Center. Sarabina mashoko abudanyugwa panapa pahendo yeSADC aya vachitaura mashoko ekuti SADC iri kuorganiza the 7th SADC Industrialization Week in Harare. Notibva subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Chimina mnomunyo kwa mchinzi. The 7th SADC Industrialization Week theme is promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. The event aims to promote industrialization, showcase investment opportunities across various value chains, and facilitate networking among stakeholders in the industrial sector. For more information on SADC, follow us on these platforms. Zambonyera ma platform awa ndo yataona update yakaiswa ni SADC mzara nezero manero vachiti aiwa SADC is organizing a 7th SADC Industrialization Week iri kuitwa musi 29 July to 2 August munyika yeZimbabwe. Chipotoze mafunguro enyu ndokudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa tinoona kuti this is the first step towards SADC Summit. Noti summit inozoita ku 17 August. Pene comment section medu mutse mafunguro enyu, musano subscribe, kulike, chinotina on the bell icon.